extended cable we offer. Okay. You can use any cables. You can use your own cables, or this cable. The characteristic is that it's very flexible. So you can see we can make more turns if needed. And these are 3 meter cables, I think. Yeah, these 3 meter cables. And what we do is that we twist in order to make a maximum output, and we have to connect to this base to these reclosers. So right now the recloser is closed, right? Yeah, it should be closed. And first of all, let's switch it on. The unit. So what we are going to do is that the Raptor has a built-in template to make a reclosing test. So what you do when we start up the units, okay, it will load like your phones. Okay, it will load like this. So what it's doing is that it's sensing what is connected, and what's the version of the Raptor connecting here, and also the version of the interface. Because this controller is not limited to to connect only to this master. You can connect to different masters as well. So now you see at the beginning, right now it tells you, now I have detected 1 master unit here. So this is the master unit. If I have slave units, okay, the current boosters, they will be here. They will be here, detected. So the first thing I need to tell the system is the number of turns I put here. Okay, because the unit does not know the turns that you put. So let's say now it's only 1 turn. So what I have to do is to come. They have already did to come to manuals. We have functions. So we just put 100 here. Okay, this is touchscreen. Okay, and I'm just regulating using the knob here. Okay, and there's a safety button. Okay, before you make the injection, you have to make sure that okay, I am okay to make the test. You have to warn people, okay, that I'm going to make a test. And to enable the injection, you have to plug here. There's a button here. Go ahead and enable. Now once it's done, okay, I'm going to make a test now. So you just press this, press in to start the test. Yeah, it's done. So let's do it again. This is open, sorry. Can you close again? So you select current, you just press this. All the time it will start counting. Okay. So whenever what the recloser did was first it has overcurrent, so it opened. Okay, and then very short it reclosed itself the first time. But the Raptor will keep the current flowing. So to simulate the flow current, still there. So the recloser open again and close again. And the first time, the same. And the fourth time, this is now locked out. Okay. So in the results, you will be able to see a T1 R1, T2 R2, T3 R3, and T4. What does it mean? T means the time, the trip time. 1 means the number. The first trip, second trip, third trip, and the fourth trip. R means reset. Reset time 1, reset time 2, reset time 3. So very quickly you will be able to see there's a 4 trip in total. The first to last trip is 3.326 seconds. Last trip is at 3.564 seconds. And then you can toggle all the results. You'll be able to see what's the first trip time, reset time, very clearly and very fast. You'll be also able to save. If I come here and save, I can save the test instantly inside the internal memory. And I can repeat the test again if with 200 amps, let's say. I do it now again, enable. You have to. So now this is the result for 200. So it's very easy. You just manage to try different currents by managing changing the current here, and you get a result. You save. That's it. Finish the test. Maybe it takes you 15 minutes to set up, but to test, it's 3 minutes.